Hi, M5921. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employer. My name is Angeline J. Palivino. I am 35 years old. I am married. I have two sons. Uh, I am a Christian. Uh,
In your
I,
highest
I am
education.
a undergraduate of nursing.
Okay. How many years?
2 years.
Okay. Your civil status, by the way.
I am married.
Okay. Tell me about your experiences as a helper.
I have a experience in Qatar of taking care of newborn baby. They are three members of the family. My other duties and responsibilities are cleaning, ironing, uh, cooking.
Okay. Then you have also experience here in the Philippines,
I
right?
also have a experience here in the Philippines for 2 years completed. Um, they are also three members of the family. I taking care of the children, uh, 5 years old.
Okay. By the way, why suddenly break the contract on Qatar?
Because my father is passed away,
That's why you break your contract. But your employer know
and
about
also my
this.
employers, and they will go to the London for my grant.
Okay, they were relocate also.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn.
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and I will check the diaper. I will feed the baby.
Okay, if the baby is still crying, what will you do?
I will call I will call my employers to
And what?
tell the baby is not stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is a high salary, and uh, it is a workplace where the workers is fairly
Barely.
treated
Okay.
and given the proper benefits. And also, I want to support my family
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
uh, as much as my employers want me.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, I don't have any idea, but I am willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Um, I am watching YouTube and also the book.
Okay, and you could also ask for help for your madam and sir, right? Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes,
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with kids?
yes,
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
yes,
To work on Saturday and holiday, Sunday or holiday setups.
yes,
It is okay to you to taking care of pets,
yes,
taking care of elderly, help them
yes,
go to bed. It is okay with you.
yes,
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me and I will do my best to do my duties and responsibility, and I assure you I will take you like my family. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much,
Thank
Miss
you so much.
Angeline. Thank you.